Everyone out there is telling you hire a bookkeeper. It will save your time, it will help your business. But today I'm going to flip that advice on its head because I've got 5 solid reasons why you actually shouldn't hire a bookkeeper. Yep, you had that right. If any of these reasons sound like you, then maybe, just maybe, hiring a bookkeeper isn't the smartest move at all. This might surprise you, but stick with me because I am about to say could save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Let's jump into it. So, the number one reason your time is cheaper than a bookkeeper's. If a bookkeeper charges $50 an hour and you value your time at $20 an hour, it might make sense to handle your bookkeeping manually. But here's the thing, are you actually valuing your time correctly? If you are spending 10 hours a month managing your own books, that's 10 hours not spent growing your business. No marketing, no selling, no client work. If you could use the same time to bring in even $100 an hour in value, you are losing $1,000 to save $500. So, unless your time is truly worth less than a bookkeeper's, maybe it's time to rethink. Reason number two, you love numbers, deadlines, and tax season. If you love spreadsheets, tax deadlines, and categorizing expenses after a 12-hour day, then sure, you go ahead and handle your bookkeeping yourself. But let's be honest, most business owners hate it. It's the last thing on your to-do list and it keeps getting pushed back. Bookkeeping isn't just entering numbers, it's compliance, it's understanding what goes where, it's reconciling accounts, avoiding penalties, and maximizing deductions. So, one small mistake can lead to big problems. So, unless you are secretly an accountant, it might be time to bring in a professional. Reason number three, you are 100% confident your books are accurate and up to date. If you are completely sure your books are always accurate, current, and ready for an audit, then no, you might not need a bookkeeper. But most entrepreneurs are not even sure what they are looking at and when reviewing their finances. You think you made a 50k profit, a skilled bookkeeper might review everything and find that after correcting all the mistakes, that actual profit is closer to 18k. Wouldn't you rather know the truth now instead of discovering it during tax season or a funding request? If you don't know if your books are accurate, that's already your answer. Reason number four, you don't plan to grow anytime soon. If you are just running a hobby business with no plans to grow or scale, sure, maybe you can keep managing your own books. But if you are serious about growth, you need to understand your cash flow. You need to know your profit margins. You need clean financials to make confident decisions. As your business grows, so does complexity. Your new clients, team members, payments, software tools. Handling a bookkeeping manually get more overwhelming and error prone. If growth is the goal, then professional bookkeeping is part of the foundation. Reason number 5, you have endless time and zero priorities. If you have 10 plus free hours a month and nothing more important to do, then maybe managing your books yourself works for now. But let's be real. Most business owners are stretched thin. You are already wearing a dozen hats: marketing, client service, strategy, operations. So bookkeeping is necessary, but it's not what grows your business. It's some time consuming, detail heavy work that often gets done last. If you want more time for higher value tasks like selling, building systems, or even resting, hands off your books and focus on what only you can do. Now, if you have watched this far and realize, wait a minute, I do value my time, I don't want to mess up my books, and I'm serious about growing my business, and then maybe it's time to bring in someone who actually lives and breathes this stuff. I'm Ashkur Ahmed, a professional bookkeeper, helping agency owners, coaches, and consultants and online business owners keep their financials clean, compliant, and growth ready. If you are ready to stop stressing over spreadsheets and finally take control of your numbers, I'd love to help. Click the link in the below to schedule a free call with me and let's talk about your financials. See you then.